we want to see if we can adjust the clutch. We've had this thing out once, and I was hitting the rev limiter pretty severely, actually. Let's go and see what the clutch is doing. Whoa, fuck. Woo-hoo-hoo! That catches you off guard. Yeah, there it goes. Reen, reen, reen. Reen, reen, reen. Yeah, see that? It's like a little burble. Yeah, see, we'll turn that back. So these are your clickers. There's 3 of them on the clutch. 1, 2, 1 down here below. You can see this one here is set at 3 right now. We're going to take that back to 2. So you got a 10 mil and 13 mil. You're going to just take this and we're going to loosen off the 10 mil. We don't want to take it right off, so it's not a good idea to use a socket on this where you can't see how far you've got it going. You want to loosen it off just enough so when you push it, hopefully you can see that there, you push it, the actual bolt head will actually clear the housing enough for you to turn it. And it's almost all the way out. And they say that it's like, you don't want to actually pull it right out because there's washers in there. If you lose those, you're screwed. There it goes. There's some. Is that 2 now?
That's 2. It doesn't even go in order, I'm pretty sure.
No, it doesn't go in order. So we're just going to tighten this back up.
So what does this even do?
It changes the RPM. It actually changes the ramp inside the clutch. So when the centrifugal force pushes it, it's how fast the actual rollers roll up the ramps. Okay, you want to make sure you do all 3 of them the exact same, so there's no vibration or wobbling or.
That's like a 5-minute job to change it.
No, it's not hard at all. And they actually have quick clickers for guys that do this all the time. That you don't need any tools, you just turn the dial.
Probably like mountain sleds and race sleds.
Yeah. And guys are really anal about trail riding.
Beautiful day though. Good day to test out.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see what that did. I just want to keep the RPMs down, you know, with 7,800, 7,700, 7,800 red line. That already seems better. Woohoo!